What's up guys, welcome back. I'm really excited about this video today. I've been looking forward to it for a little while now. If you guys haven't already seen the video on this PSA MK12 Mod, check it out. But I didn't really get the kind of accuracy I was hoping for out of that gun. I mean, it was around 1.5 inches at 100 yards, not bad. You know, would be considered, you know, decent accuracy anywhere, but I just thought it could do a lot better. So I reached out to Rosco Manufacturing, and they were happy to send this 18-inch SPR barrel, and they were pretty confident I could improve my accuracy with this barrel. So we're going to check it out today, and hopefully that's true. Now, unfortunately, we do have quite a lot of wind today. I did do about 5 groups with the old barrel right before I did the barrel swap. Of course, I've done many other groups with it as well. But I wanted to get a baseline so we could see if there was an improvement in the accuracy. So I've got the same target up that I shot the 5 groups with the old barrel, with the PSA barrel. And I've got 5 more target pasties right underneath those, and we'll shoot some groups on those with the new Rosco Manufacturing barrel and see what kind of improvement we can get, if any. Now, if you're not familiar with Rosco Manufacturing, they're an American company. They make barrels from scratch in Rhode Island, and the barrel we're looking at today is their Purebred 18-inch SPR barrel. This is a stainless steel barrel made from 416R stainless. I've always had really good experience with Rosco barrels. They make very high quality barrels, and the price is very fair on them. If you're not familiar with what SPR means, you've probably seen it before. SPR, it stands for Special Purpose Receiver or Special Purpose Rifle. It started out being Special Purpose Receiver and moved on to being called Special Purpose Rifle. So the SPR barrel has a special contour. It has a different contour than, say, a 20-inch AR rifle barrel. There's no cutouts in it. It's a very solid barrel. It's not a bull barrel. It's not overly large. It has a what I would call a medium contour. It's supposed to be specially built for cold bore shots, supposed to be really well with cold bore shots, follow-up shots. And if you see a SPR on the 18-inch barrel, that usually means it can mount up the OpSync suppressor, or the Otter Creek OCM5, or the Allen Engineering AEM5 type of suppressors. These are over-the-barrel suppressors. I also have a video just on this Otter Creek suppressor if you want to check that out and see how those mount up. One of the main differences with the SPR barrel, it has a step right here to mount this collar, and that's what allows you to mount these OpSync style suppressors. It is a rifle length gas system with an 18-inch barrel length, so you get really smooth shooting from it. They can be ammo finicky if they're not gassed right. Rosco talks specifically about their gas port sizes on their website. If you'll look in the description on their SPR barrels, they've specifically selected a gas port size that works well unsuppressed and it's not overly harsh while suppressed. They understand most people that's running this type of barrel is probably going to want to run a suppressor. This Rosco barrel is chambered in 223 Wild, meaning it can shoot either 5.56 ammunition or 223 ammunition. Basically, it has a bit of tighter tolerances than a 5.56, but it's loose enough to be able to run 5.56, so it's not 223. It's in between a 223 chamber and a 5.56 chamber. The 223 Wild's a very good chambering if you're looking to run 5.56 223. It's usually more accurate than a 5.56 barrel, so it's a pretty good compromise. If it's even a compromise. I don't believe there's any compromise in it at all, but Alright guys, hopefully that's enough explanation on the SPR barrel. If you guys have any questions at all about it, drop them down in the comments. I'm happy to answer for you. The ammo we'll be using today is AAC 77 grain OTM ammo. This is loaded with a 77 grain Sierra Match King bullet. And you may be wondering why we're using factory ammunition. This will be the first shots through this barrel, so it's not like I can reload and work up a load for a brand new barrel. So we'll start out with factory ammunition. The groups that are on the target from before were with reloaded ammunition that I had worked up for that PSA barrel. So it's really the best case scenario for that PSA barrel. And we're going to the worst case scenario for this Rosco barrel. We're shooting factory ammunition, and it'll be the very first shots through the barrel. And this AAC ammo is very good ammo. It's affordable. If you guys are interested in picking any up, there'll be a link in the description to my campsite page, and there's a link on my campsite page that'll take you to AAC ammunition. If you're not familiar, it's made and sold by Palmetto State Armory, so you can expect fair pricing, and it's a quality product. All right, let's get started. We'll send our first 5-round group down. I didn't even have hearing protection on and didn't even notice it. That's how quiet these cans are. This Otter Creek can is crazy quiet for 5.56. It's got to be the quietest 5.56 can on the market. Really wasn't bothering my ears at all, but I'll go ahead and put some ears on anyway just to be safe. My hearing's already shot. Alright guys, overall I'm pretty happy with the improvement. I don't have any doubts that I can get more accuracy out of this gun with hand loads. This was all factory AAC ammunition today, quality ammunition. Like I said, if you guys are interested in picking up some of this AAC ammo, check out the link in the description to my campsite page, and there's a link on my campsite page to AAC ammo. When you use those links, it helps out the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. I'm pretty happy with the accuracy gains I got out of this Rosco Manufacturing barrel. Again, this is their Purebred 18-inch SPR barrel. They do offer other barrel lengths in their Purebred lineup. I do run Rosco barrels in some of my other builds, and I've always been really happy with them. I want to thank Rosco Manufacturing for sending this barrel out and letting us check it out today and let me show it to you guys. If you're in the market for a barrel or looking to upgrade the accuracy on one of your builds, check them out. Link will be in the description.